So, for this video, I was gonna do like a 40-minute video of the Grow a Garden event, but it was unbelievable. My server crashed, which is what you also see in the video. My screen recording wasn't working, and Grow a Garden on the 9th of August hit an all-time high of players on a single game at 16 million active. That is more than Prime Fortnite. So, I know you ain't seen my face on a longer video for a while, so you might be thinking, why are you just talking if this is a Roblox video? But I thought, might as well change it up and explain instead of just putting speech on the screen like I have been doing. But, I hope you enjoy the video. Sadly, it's a bit of a shorter one. But, yeah. Let's get into playing. So I do know it's not the exact video that I hoped for or you hoped for, but it is what it is. It's a really popular game, it's a really good game. Jandel is doing the right thing with these updates. But it is sad that I couldn't make this longer, so hopefully if I play the next update, I will record all of it. I will sit down and do nothing but just record. So, with that, it's the end of the video, and remember, like, subscribe, and if you're on the TV, there is a QR code here that you can scan with your phone and it will go straight to my channel, and you can subscribe to me that way. So, let's go.